you so much for visiting my channel, and you're very much welcome to my English to Tuwali Ifugao tutorial. So for today's lesson, I'm gonna teach you some English to Ifugao questions with who. So actually this will be our final lesson for the WH questions. So let's start. The word who in Ifugao is ngane, 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 or ngane di. Actually, when we blend ngane di, becomes ngane, ngane. It also means who. So let's start with the first question. Who am I? Ngane ak. When we speak fast, it becomes nganeyak, 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 nganeyak. It means who am I? Number 2. Who are you? Ngane ka. Ngane ka. Ngane ka. The word ka means you. Number 3. Who is she or he? Ngane hiyana. Ngane hiyana. Ngane hiyana. Hiyana can be used for both gender. You can also say ngane die, ngane die, ngane die. For the word ngane, you should sound the letter H. Ngane, ngane die. Die also can be used for both gender. Number 4. Who's that? Ngane nae. Ngane nae. Ngane nae. Nae means that. Number 5. Who's this? Ngane tuwe. Ngane tuwe. Ngane tuwe. The word tuwe means this. Number 6. Who is the president? Ngane presidente. Ngane presidente. Ngane presidente. President is presidente. Number 7. Who's coming? Nganen mangali. Nganen mangali. Nganen mangali. Mangali means coming. Number 8. Who's going? Nganen mange. Nganen mange. Nganen mange. Mange means going. Actually, the word nganen, I just blend nganenan. It becomes nganen. Number 9. Who's there? Ngane nae. Ngane nae. Ngane nae. when someone is knocking on the door. Knock knock. Who's there? Ngane nae. Alright. Number 10. Who won? Who won? It's like, who won the game? In Ifugao, ngane nangabak. Ngane nangabak. Ngane nangabak. Ngane nangabak. Nangabak means won. Number 11. Who lose? Who lose? Ngane naabak. Ngane naabak. Ngane naabak. The word naabak means lose. Number 12. Who did this? Ngane nangat kituwe. Ngane nangat kituwe. Ngane nangat kituwe. It means who did this? How about who did that? Ngane nangat kinae. 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 Who did it? Ngane nangat kidiye. Ngane nangat kidiye. Ngane nangat kidiye. The word this is tuwe. The word that is nae. And the word it is die. Number 13. Who's with you? In Ifugao, ngane kaduam. Ngane kaduam. Ngane kaduam. Ngane kaduam. Ngane kaduam. It means who's with you. And the final one, number 14. How to say who wants coffee? In Tuwali Ifugao, ngane naminhod hi kape. Ngane naminhod hi kape. Ngane naminhod hi kape. Ngane naminhod hi kape. Or you can also use the sentence ngane pinhod nay kape. Ngane pinhod nay kape. Ngane pinhod nay kape. Ngane pinhod nay kape. You can use any sentence. The first or the second is alright. Alright, so I'm gonna give you 3 vocabularies. The first one is chicken. Manok. In Ifugao, manok. Next, banana. In Ifugao, barat. Barat. It's a little bit harder. Barat. Barat. And the third one is bread. Bread means tinapay. tinapay. Your letter T should be T, tinapay. It's not tinapay, but it's tinapay. Okay, so can you translate these sentences for me? How to say this in Ifugao? Who wants chicken? That's right. It's simple. Ngane na minhod hi manok. Okay, next sentence. Can you translate who wants banana? That's right. Ngane na minhod hi barat. And the final one. Can you translate who wants bread in Ifugao? That's right. Ngane na minhod hi tinapay. Ngane na minhod hi tinapay. Alright, so thank you so much for joining me today. This will be the final lesson for English to Ifugao WH and H questions. And our next lesson will be how to become polite in Ifugao. Bye-bye, stay safe, and see you in our next lesson.